Okay, so this is the exercise 10B of class 6 from R.S. Aggarwal Cbse book. The very first question is determine if the following numbers are in proportion or no. So to find out the proportion, here the four numbers are given. This is first, second, third, fourth. So this and this are said to be the extreme terms. So product of extreme is 4 into 12, that is 4 12 is 48. And product of this is said to be the mean terms, that is equals to 6 into 8 equals to 48. Since the product of extreme is equal to product of mean, therefore they are in proportion. Here we have to verify 105 is proportional to this or no. So since this is a symbol of proportion, again first extreme term. So product of extreme is equals to 60 into 147 and product of mean equals to 105 into 84. Now 60 into 147 is equals to 8820 and this is 105 into 84 is equals to 8820. Since the product of extreme is equals to product of mean, therefore it is verified. It is verified. Find the value of x. See, here it is given as a proportional sign. So product of extreme is 55 into 6 and product of mean is 11 into x. Since they are proportional, so product of extreme equals to product of mean. So from here we get 55 into 6 is equals to 11 into x, or x equals to 55 into 6 by 11. 11 ones 11, 11 fives 55. So 5 into 6 is equals 30. X gives 30. So the value of x is 30. Question number 5. Determine if they are proportion. See here first. Here it is centimeter, here it is meter, here it is rupees, here it is rupees. So you have to change this unit. So 1 meter change into centimeter, it becomes 100 centimeter. Now the four terms are this first, second, third, fourth. Here product of the extreme is 25 into 160. So product of extreme equals to 25 into 160 and product of mean equals to 100 into 40, which is equals to 4000. It is also equals to 4000. Hence they are in proportion. One more question is from question number 11. Find the value of this. Already here the symbol is proportion, so we know that product of extreme equals to product of mean. That means 5 into 6 is equals to 3 into x, or 5 into 6 by 3 equals to x. 3 ones, 3 twos implies x equals to 10. In a proportion, the first, second and fourth terms are given. First term, second term and fourth term. Find the third term. Let the third term be x. Then the numbers becomes 51, 68, x. Since they are proportion, so product of extreme, that means 51 into 108 must be equals to 68 into x, or 51 into 108 by 68 equals to x. 17 fours, 17 threes, 4 ones, 4 twos, 4 27s. 27 into 3 is 81. That means x is equals to 81. So here in a proportion the first, third and fourth terms are given. So let the second term be x, then 12, x, 8, 14 are in proportion. Since they are proportion, so product of extreme, that is 12 into 14 must be equals to x into 8, or 12 into 14 by 8 equals to x. 4 twos, 4 threes, 2 ones, 2 7 implies x equals to 21. Next question is show that दिखाना है numbers are in continued proportion. ये continued proportion में है, तो इसको हम a पकड़ेंगे, इसको हम b पकड़ेंगे, इसको हम c पकड़ेंगे. अब यहाँ से a into c बनता है 48 into 75, which is equals to 3600, and b square यानी कि 60 into 60 बनता है 3600. Since b square equals to AC, therefore they are in continued proportion. This is another question given that they are in proportion, find V of x. We know that since they are in proportion, therefore the product of extreme must be equals to product of mean. The product of extreme is 9 into 49 must be equals to product of mean is x into x is x square. Now this square power comes of this side, it becomes root over 9 into 49 equals to x. Again here we can write 9 means we can write 3 into 3 into 49 means 7 into 7 equals to x. To take out the outside of the root, we must make a pair. So this is one pair which comes outside, this is another pair which comes outside, equals to x. 3 into 7 is 21, that means x equals to 21. This is question number 10. An electric pole casts a shadow of length 20 meter at a time when a tree 6 meter casts a shadow of 8 meter. So let the length of the pole be x, there x meter, therefore length of the pole is x, so x is to shadow of the pole is 20 is proportion to 6 is to shadow of tree is 8. Since they are proportion, therefore product of extreme must be equals to product of mean. So product of extreme is x into 8 equals to 20 into 6. X equals to 20 into 6 by 8, 4 2s, 4 5s, 2 1s, 2 3s. Therefore x equals to 15 meter. That is 15